Here's a great and free AI tool you can use to cut your internet browsing time in half. Let's say, as an example, I want to find anything on the internet and I'm used to just using Google. So, as an example, I want to find out when both the Wisconsin Badgers men's and women's hockey team are both playing. I can go here, type Badger hockey schedule, men and women's, and I can click through first the men and see this. I go back, go to the next one for the women's. Or I can use Perplexity to save me a lot of time and aggregate a bunch of sources together. So the way I do this is just go to Perplexity and I would say, please show me that's the other one is done. There we go. The Wisconsin Badger men and women's hockey schedules. What Perplexity does is it goes out and it searches a bunch of sites. You'll notice that it's these three as well as these other 6 sources. And on one page, it simply puts everything I want to know. So either I can save this, print it out if I choose, or just reference this anytime I'd like to take somebody to a game. Now, this is great for sports, anytime that we have a bunch of data sources in a bunch of different areas. Or we can also do it, let's say, with stocks. So I can go here. Let's say I go to Google and I want to look at a bunch of stocks that I'm interested in. I can do something like MSTR coin bit stocks. So I can click through a bunch of these, figure out what to do, or I can go here and say, please show me the prices of the following stocks. MSTR coin IBIT. And again, on one page, it's going to simply bring this up for me, and I can see exactly how they're doing all relative to each other in a chart. And you'll see that it's updated as of just this morning. So just a little bit ago. Pretty clear, pretty easy. Where Perplexity also works really well is finding disparate data sources that might be difficult to find. So let's say, as an example, I'm a developer in Madison, Wisconsin. I can say something like, please find me the minutes on the last City of Madison Planning Commission meeting. Again, it's going to do all the searching for me. And it's not able to provide me the results here, but it's giving me a bunch of follow-up questions that I can ask. So instead of having to go through and figure out which site is going to make the most sense, it's going to say right here that we just had a meeting, or there will be a meeting scheduled today. And it gives me easy to click links that I can simply follow. So as opposed to clicking on a bunch of different stuff in Google, figuring out exactly what I want, Perplexity does an awesome job. And again, this is free, of finding the data sources that I'm looking for in a very simple and efficient manner. And you can also save these searches if you ever want to go back. Have you tried Perplexity yet? Or is this a tool that you might consider using? Please let me know in your comments. Thanks.